Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cox Fast Access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Cox's official website. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the Sign In option, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. A login prompt will appear on your screen. Enter your Cox username in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the corresponding password field. Double-check both your username and password for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you are sure everything is correct, click the Sign In button. You will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. For added security, Cox may send you a verification code. Enter the code to complete the login process. After successfully logging in, you can access all your account features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.